Today I'm happy to present along with my team and I our integrative project. It's the result of the collective effort to achieve a goal that will become clear as the presentation progresses. Um, in this presentation, we'll talk about of the problem to choose to tackle and how we decided to face it. Our focus was on the issues of soil compactation in the regions of Guanajuato. And the regions crops principally, and we developed agricultural tool to address it, from design to manufacturing. The processes solution includes a device that removes
The ground compactation.
the compactation in our crops and use itself. The automatic addition, the automatic additionment considers the proposed solutions and includes a device that removes considers the spacing between rows when planting. We achieved this automatic control times low to an electric system directed by an Arduino using sensors and an adjustable control system with an actuator. It's important to note that we had the help of a dog to improve the project's efficiency, resulting in a satisfying final product.
Introduction. That was my part. It's okay. Um, to think in making this machine or improve a machine that have exist before was the ground compactation. That is an issue that we noticed in the studies region of Guanajuato, most specifically in Tarandacuao, Guanajuato. Pepe's uncle said us to the ground of his the crops of his grounds presented a problem that is the seed didn't grow properly, and a great part of the harvest get lost. And with that problem, we think together to making a machine to break that ground compactation, that is the Agrolean additivement. Before, the Delia teacher said us to improve that additivement and turn it into a complete implement. That is the thing that we can see today. This is our creation. It's named Agrolean, and we are going to expose you some of the most important points of its creation and its development and the, the tests and the proofs that it presented to us. Thank you.
Objective generally. Really, my objective is to design and develop an adjustment control system using an actuator in order to adjust the attachments according to the measurements specific for showing, intended for agricultural producers in the southern regions of the state of Guanajuato in a period of 3 months.
To achieve the fulfillment of original objective, it is necessary to develop previous activities, one of which is the definition of the need or problem, to subsequently plan the activities with the objective of having a specific control and specific times for each of the activities to be carried out and destroy a Gantt chart. Subsequently, with the activities clear and with the specific times, we proceeded with the elaboration of each of them. Within these activities is also to design of the automatic adjustment system, which as you can see consists an implement made of 3 attachments, which will adjust automatically. Depending of the distance of the furrow size, as we know, not all crops have the same separation. This separation vary according to the several factors, among which the type of crop is stand out. Since in corn the optimal distance is between 75 and 90 centimeters, while in sorghum is 50 and 70 centimeters. In oats it is 15 and 20 centimeters, and in wheat is 20 and 25 centimeters.
Now we have the financial indicators that indicates the
the most important
The
KPIs or into
KPIs. The production and the commercialization of the product.
first do a general balance that in this KPI explain the actives and passive and the capital countable that indicate the balance if the positive situation if the active is higher than the passive, and then is the percent value net that indicate the profits along the 3 years. In this case, to define the exercise, each member to the team received the 5,100 pesos. Manufacturing of the goods.
To make hoods and bearings for the implement, the following were correct used. Cutting steel plates. Using tools capable of cutting carbon steel plates to the specific dimensions required or hoods. Afterwards, the ends were prepared. The ends of the plates were aligned and prepared for the welding process, ensuring a solid and precise connection. Later, the plate screwing was carried out. Here, the carbon steel plates were screwed along their edge to form a rectangle, leaving the end face used to create an opening. Afterwards, the bearings were ensembled. For this, the bearing systems had to be positioned and screwed on the inside of the plates, ensuring the required freedom of movement. That the assembly was done on the cultivator bar. Here the hoods were placed over the tiller bar, ensuring a precise fit and ensuring the opening matches the desired location. Finally, an aligning and adjustment was performed, where the hoods were aligned evenly along the bar and the adjustment are necessary to ensure smooth and considered movement.
Next, with the code, we can use some components like motor, engine by steps, rack and pinion system, microcontroller like Arduino, a laser sensor like BL53 Lux, and language programming. In this subject, we searched to develop an stepper motor programming research was carried out on the operation of a stepper motor and most the appropriate code for the function of our project.
Zipper system or rack and pinion system. This automated horizontal movement mechanism on the cultivator bar was achieved using a rack and pinion system. The racks, which are like to the bars, move with the help of the pre-programmed the stepper motor. Test racks were placed or in the rail system that is this, but now not as allowing its movement and are connected to the hoods and attached to the cultivator bar. The design is simple. A single pinion moves two racks placed in parallels and opposite ends of the pinion. This is the pinion, and this is one rack, and this is other rack. Thought simpler, it's an efficient system.
Quality test. For the quality test, you can see the bearing system based on the racks. So you can see the movie horizontally with you any problem. It was achieved that the bearings of the adjustment was using adequately, the fulfilling when the objectives results. One of the results that was intended to be achievable was the bearing system was, as you can see, fulfill its function, and what is the lighting the weight of the adjustments so that the motor can move them with you any problem. Another of the results that we needed the often was the automatic
are still in the manufacturing stage of this system, but same of the most significant result is the rack in its function in the same way.
And in conclusion, this project represents a lot of effort, teamwork, money, time, principally time, and a lot of coconut. Personally, I'm so proud of this project. I think that it's a potential product in the future with some support and projection. I think that we could give it, how do you say incluso?
Even.
Even. We can give it even. I can wait to say the machine working. You don't know how much we inverted in this project. We inverted time, sweat, and a little bit of drops, blood. My Imechema is the proof of that.
My personal opinion, I love this project because learn many things and improve my knowledge.
In my opinion, a positive effect of doing this project with my college was that it allowed me to develop skills to deal with problems that arose with my team. My college had a hard time automating the mechanics through type.
My personal opinion, I believe that this project has significant potential, which excites me. With the necessary effort and support, it can bring about change. However, I also recognize that reality might be challenging and disappointing too. Nevertheless, maintaining a positive outlook is crucial.
In my experience, this project was a great challenge for all of us. It involved not sleeping for the last 2 weeks because we thought, how could we do it? Along the way, we were able to learn from each of our classmates and our teachers. It was very tiring, frustrating, and interesting situation at the same time. My team didn't believe we could finish, and the truth is that neither did I.
My personal opinion, our project is ideal for farmers, so it allows the operator to easily have the items covered more for the more efficient. It is overall my team working very hard and so I to achieve this project. My team did not have enough information for programming, so needed so I investigated and asked some teachers. I was super achieved a loving very moment achieved.
I take a lot of appreciation to this project. The the principal aspect for I take that appreciation to this thing is that it significated a challenge for me, a challenge for my team, and we increasing it to topics and even careers that we didn't get in before, like agricultural engineering, programming. This is real. I'm so proud of this thing, and this is the last dance. I feel so nostalgic. And thank you for everyone present in this place for giving us a bit of your attention. We promise that great things are coming after this, and now we can proceed with the quality test. Before that, the system comes with hardware and software parts. In the hardware, we can see the stepper motor and the mechanism that is the, how do you call it? The wrap system. The wrap system. In the software, we have the programmation in the Arduino software, Arduino platform, and that's it.
Básicamente esto es lo que hace el sistema de cremalleras y piñón.
Y se eficientiza mucho el trabajo porque quien ha ajustado un implemento de esto sabe cuánto trabajo físico requiere simplemente mover este aditamento hacia el otro lado o ajustarlo en cualquier punto de la barra. Primero tendría que desajustar los birlos y sostener el aditamento para calzarlo en la posición que necesitara. Si alguien gusta venir a ver el funcionamiento del mecanismo, podemos ver que conforme gira el piñón en el centro.
How can this project help or improve society?
Knowing the purpose for which it is designed to be carried out more effectively and avoiding crop uses. José Manuel, what was the most difficult part of the project?
Principality work in a team because my classmates living in other sites and work with a little time. Tell me your experience about it, Daniela.
In my experience, this project was a great challenge for us. Along the way, we were able to learn from each of our classmates and our teachers. It was very tiring, frustrating, and interesting situation at the same time. My team didn't believe we could finish, and neither did I. But we tried it, and in the end, we could. How did the idea of Agrolean come out?
It arose from the needs of the farmers saying they had a problem reading this gap that was generated in the country to the race and did not allow the plan to come out. Ricardo, what do you want to achieve in this project?
Personally, I think that this project could help to many people in the region, and the thing that I would want to do is to sell this project to that person to present the difficulty, why this project was made for. Sorry.
Y yo ni sabía. Es que le puse así, no sé por qué.
Improve? Okay.
Yo creo que le puse así.
Why is important improve agricultural processes? Pau.
Yo creo que por eso me cerró, ¿no?
Okay.
Y ella quiere para
Pepe, bueno. Why is important to improve agricultural processes?
Improve the agricultural processes is very important to the farmers. Like easy the process, don't spend money with a better option.